Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be going over on how to install your SD card and your SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A12. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Surge Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So in this video I will teach you how to install both the SD card and the SIM card, and how to set up your SD card for pics and vids to save in the SD card, and how to transfer the files from the phone to the card in order to save space on your phone. The first thing we're going to need is a SIM ejector tool, as you can see right here. We're also going to need the SD card that we were going to use, and also the SIM card. So the first thing we're going to do is going to be install the SIM card. So we're going to do that. Here's the SIM ejector tool, and we're going to find the hole right here. So we just press it down through the little hole and we keep pushing, so this pops up right here. So now we're going to head to grab this and remove this. We're going to leave the phone on the side and we're going to focus on this thing first. So this tray, we're going to put the SIM card and SD card. So the bigger one is going to be for your SD card, so we're going to put it right here. Make sure it clicks whenever you put it, so it looks like this. So once you do that, now you're going to get your SIM card and we're going to put it on the side right here. As you can tell, you're going to have a little line over here, so you're going to try and fit your SIM card in that little space. So we're going to do that, and now that we have both of them in place, we're going to get the phone and put this inside your phone. So we just close this up, and now we just go into our phone. Once you put your SIM card in, you're going to start getting the signal bars right here, and as you can tell, I'm getting the signals already. If your phone is unlocked, you're gonna have the signals right here on top. As you can tell, you can make any phone calls as well, so that means the SIM card has been properly installed. So now that we have the SD card, I'm gonna show you how to save every single file on your SD card every time you take a picture, so you save space on your phone. So for this, we're gonna go to our camera, and right here on camera, a message is gonna pop up in the screen, which is gonna tell you if we want to change the location of storage to the memory card. So what we're gonna do now is head to the camera, and as soon as we go into the camera, this message is gonna pop up. It's gonna ask us to change the store location to the SD card. Since now the SD card has been inserted, you can save space in internal storage by making your SD card the default storage location. So we're gonna select change right here, and now in order to check that everything's right, all you're gonna have to do is go onto the little tool right here, which is gonna be your camera settings, and go all the way down to storage location. And here you're gonna have the SD card checked. And if you want to switch it back to internal storage, you can do that by just pressing that, or SD card as well. And in order to do this, you just have to swipe up and go on your Samsung, and right here in the Samsung folder you're gonna have my files, so you're just gonna press that, and right here we're gonna go to our internal storage, which is gonna be where every single file is saved on your phone. And now that you're here in this menu, you're gonna select whatever file you want to transfer. For example, DCIM, you just select it, you select it once again, and you're gonna go here on move, and now you're gonna select where you want it to be moved to. So we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna select the SD card. We're gonna select move here, and now that file is gonna be located on this SD card. Alright everyone, so that was it on the video on how to install your SIM and SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A12. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below if it helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.